Hello, this is Jean Kropper from Paper and Pixel. Clients often ask, how do we work together? It's a great question. How do we go from concept to the finished piece? As an example, I'll show you how I collaborated with Bright Print Group to create a pop-up of La Rotonda, an Italian Renaissance villa. The pop-up explains how people have left their creative mark on the world, and how in print communications, a good printer, such as BPG, can help you do just that. Paper and Pixel was brought in to design a pop-up as a dramatic reveal at the end of the Creative Mark booklet. The sleeve it's delivered in. I researched several buildings and then selected Villa La Rotonda, an Italian Renaissance villa that's outside of Venice. I did drawings to translate it into line work. I took the drawing and divided the sections of the drawing into layers. The layers then needed to be translated into a flat artwork. Here is the first handmade mock-up, testing out the structure. What's important here is getting the size correct. I worked with Peter Jurgens of Blaze to do a laser test. Here's the laser test. I realized I needed line work to illustrate the details of the building. The laser test allowed us to check the dimensions exactly, and we worked with Mohawk Superfine as the stock. At this point, I handed over my mock-ups, the artwork, and the line illustration. Cherie Saxby, the graphic designer for BPG, translated that into a color treatment. She fine-tuned the die line in consultation with Gary Gifford of Energy Cutting Forms, who created the die. Then Cherie and I worked together to make the final adjustments on the art. Deborah Burgess, BPG director, invited me to the factory to see the piece come off the press. I love working with printers to bring a piece to life. The outside of the cover was printed first, then the inside. Here are all the shelves of die cuts of other projects. It was die cut on a Heidelberg platen press. Here were the first test pieces. This is the printed and die-cut piece before it's been folded. And here's the finished piece folded. Give us a call at Paper and Pixel.